standard equation of a circle as a conic section, then do a clear numerical example. A circle is the set of all points in the plane of fixed distance are from a fixed center at h, k. Let us visualize a center, a moving point on the circle, and the radius as the distance between them. By the distance formula, the distance from x, y to h, k equals the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. On a circle, that distance equals r, so we set square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r. To eliminate the square root, we square both sides. We obtain the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Let us do a concrete example. We will draw a coordinate grid, place the center at 2, 3, and draw a circle of radius 5. Then we will write the equation. To check, pick a point on the circle, such as 7, 3. The distance to the center is exactly 5. Substituting into the equation, we get 7 minus 2 squared plus 3 minus 3 squared equals 25, which is true. Key idea. A circle is a locus of points of fixed distance are from a center h, k. The distance formula gives square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r. Squaring yields the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Our example with center 2, 3 and radius 5 produced x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25.